Imagine having the ability to create stunning videos with just a few taps on your phone. No heavy software or creative studio needed. That's exactly what Kaiber's new mobile app brings to the table. Hey there, it's Ash, and today we are diving into Kaiber's revolutionary mobile app that's turning smartphones into the Go video studios. If you are a creator, this is a game changer for you. But before we delve deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about easy video creation as I am. Let's jump right in. Kaiber has always been my go-to platform for creating the unique background videos you see in all of my contents. Its AI-driven generative video platform has empowered creators, musicians, and even artists to transform simple ideas into visually captivating videos. And with their new mobile app, this creative freedom is now accessible anytime, anywhere, right from your smartphone. Recently, Kaiber launched its first mobile app, now available for both iOS and Android. This app is a fusion of generative AI technology and music, providing a unique space for creators to blend visuals and sound effortlessly. Now let's walk through a quick demo. I just need to open Kaiber, select a photo of my cat because she's always there, and create a video using this image as initial frame. This app is incredibly intuitive, making the process a breeze, and just like that, I have a new video ready to go. I am so thrilled about the doors Kaiber's mobile app opens for creators. If you haven't checked it out yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. The world of video creation just got a lot more exciting and accessible. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video for more creative reviews and tutorials. Keep creating. This is Ash, signing off.